After Vivo, Oppo, Xiaomi, another brand is joining the external camera lens race for the flagship. This is Honor this time, offering an add-on telephoto extended lid as a part of a camera kit for the upcoming Magic8 RSR Porsche design. The company showing off the camera kit to the official poster image before its launch. The poster image shows the telephoto extender kit that seems to have a 2.35x converter similar to that of the Vivo X300 Pro and X200 Ultra's add-on lens. It offers an 85mm 200 megapixel telephoto camera, means the add-on lens will enable 200mm native lens at 8.6x. The company has posted some sample images taken from the telephoto lens. This confirms the zoom range of 200mm at least 800mm, that will be 33x. The poster confirms it will have an industry-leading CPA, that image stabilization of 6.5. For some context, the regular Honor Magic 8 Pro has a CPA rating of 5.5. That paired with the photography kit should result in some terrific images. In addition to that, the photography kit is to include a special case and camera grip with a shutter scroll wheel. Besides it seems to be seen whether the add-on lens will bring any interesting software features. Raw power-wise, will come with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with 7200 mAh battery, 120 Hz fast refresh rate screen with 120 watt fast charging support. It will be launched on January 19th in China.